Morning, dear students at GFGC Gauribidur and all other students. This is Suresh Babu from Gauribidur Government First Grade College. Here I am with one more presentation of the video of the branch accounts. There's a financial accounting under which the branch accounts is the sub-chapter, which I am trying to explain, and I hope everybody is learning and doing hard. This is very important revision. However, I teach, it hardly makes any difference unless and until you put the effort from your side. Have the pen, notebook with you while listening to the video. Completely you need to watch the video. If this particular video is being made for, let me say 10 to 15 minutes, so such time you need to watch completely. Only then you send the feedback. That means learning to happen, not before that. Okay. Delhi head office. So here, when branch is permitted to make cash purchases. Okay. So far, what was the condition? The branch was not allowed to make the purchases on its own. Now in this sum, there is an adjustment. Branch is allowed to make purchases on its own, right? So it can make the payment as well. Okay. Delhi head office of a company invoices goods to its Guwahati branch at cost plus 20%. Remember, cost plus 20% means here 1/5. It is already given. It is to be converted when the profit is to be calculated. It is to be made 1/6. The branch also purchases independently from local parties goods for which payments are made by the head office. Listen, branch purchases the goods, but the payment for such purchases is being made by the head office. All the cash collections of the day is to be remitted to head office through a bank account, and all expenses of the branch are directly paid by head office. From the following, show the branch account in the head office books. See, you may purchase, but after you purchase, the payment will be made by whom? Not by you. It is being done by your head office. Okay. Impressed cash, okay, on 1/4/2014, that is 20,000. This is opening. Impressed means you know that petty cash. Opening 20,000, closing also to be 20,000. 31/3/2015, okay, impressed. They have said 18,500. So you remember this. Once it is stated in the sum itself, the same amounts to be recorded. So, for example, let us check in the branch account. Impressed cash is how much is here? 20,000. Impressed cash, closing balance, how much you have recorded? 18,500. Listen, here we should not be applying the impress system of cash. Why? Because opening also stated, closing date also stated. If assuming closing date information was not stated, we could have imagined the closing petty cash would be 20,000. Okay. So now, as per the information, we need to record. Sundry debtors opening 2,50,000. Stock, there are two types. One is transferred from head office, invoice price, you know that 2,40,000. Purchases direct, 1,60,000. Both will be added to branch. Total sales 17,50,000. Cash sales 4,50,000. Means difference is 13 lakhs is credit sales. Right? So which is necessary for us to prepare the memorandum debtors account. So returns from customers 30,000 rupees. From customers means debtors. So it is to be recorded in debtors account. Direct purchases 4,50,000 again. So it is to be debited. Goods sent to branch from head office. Goods sent to branch from head office, 6 lakh rupees. Goods have been sent. That is invoice price. Transfer from head office for petty cash expenses, 25,000, debit it. Bad debts, 10,000, credit here this item in memorandum debtors account. Discount, 20,000, credit in the memorandum debtors account. Cash received from customers, 12,50,000. Once it is to be credited in branch account, and once it is to be credited in where? Debtors account. Branch expenses, 3 lakhs, debited to the branch account. Closing stock is given, that is directly purchased by bank, by the branch, 1,20,000, and transferred at invoice price, 1,80,000. So you have to find out this profit only when the goods are sent from head office to branch. One is closing stock, another one is opening stock, right? And another one is goods sent to branch, right? Goods sent to branch, these 3 items. First, what has not been given? It is being known very clearly, okay, that closing debtors is missing. See, opening is given, closing is not given. So find out as usually. To balance brought down, 2,50,000, by balance carried out, balancing figure. This is not known now. This will be known towards the end. Credit sales, I have already indication given, 13 lakhs. How? 17,50,000 minus 4,50,000. By bank account, 12,50,000. By sales return, 30,000. By bad debts, 10,000. By discount, 20,000. Difference is, so 15,50,000. So difference is 2,40,000 is what? Close. Missing information. Correct. Now see, in the books of Delhi, head office, Guwahati branch, 31st March 2015. Okay. So first item, 2 impressed cash opening balance, 20,000. 2 debtors at the branch, opening debtors, 2,50,000. To stock at the branch, this invoice price, 2,40,000. Note this. This 2,40,000 we have recorded on the credit side profit, which has been shown as by stock reserve. How much? 1/6, I said, right? 1/5 is given, make it 1/6, 40,000. Next, see, goods sent to branch, 6 lakh rupees. So here, see, goods sent to branch, profit is involved. Show separately, 1/6 of 6 lakh is 1 lakh. Then, bank account, see, branch account debtor to bank account. How much? Petty expenses, 25,000. Branch account debtor to bank account expenses, 3 lakh rupees. There is sales, cash sales, cash received from debtors. So both together, 17 lakhs by bank account. Impressed cash, closing balance, right? Right. Then there is debtors, closing debtors. Closing stock, 1,80,000. So this 1,80,000, see, from head office 1,80,000, here 1,80,000 into 1/6, that is 30,000. This is the stock reserve, correct? So everything we have considered. Directly purchased closing stock, which is 1,20,000. What is the additional item? See, in the additional item, directly purchased opening stock is there. Okay. So directly purchases goods is also being given, right? See, stock at branch directly purchased. Similarly, stock at branch, okay, on the closing date, directly purchased. Correct now? So here, 23,98,500, 23,98,500. Please cross check the amount. 3,23,500 is the profit. Okay. Direct purchases, how much? 4,50,000. Yes, it is direct purchase. See, branch account debtor to bank account, it is written. See, it is very, very important. Why this to bank account has been written? Because money is being paid by the head office. We are purchasing. You cannot write 2 purchases. You need to write 2 banks. See, 4,50,000. This is the notable point. Okay. So how many minutes over? Hardly 10 to 11 minutes. Watch this. And subsequent sum. Wait, what is the subsequent sum? Let me check it. Illustration number 14. Also, please write copy, practice. Okay. Illustration number 14 as well. 13 and 14. Okay. So both you need to copy and do revise. So learn in better manner. If I come to class, I would be asking about this particular homework. Homework is 13 and 14. Both you need to copy it and try to understand. If I ask the question, you should be able to answer. Thank you. This is Suresh Babu MG from Government First Grade College, Gauri Gupta. So ensure that after watching the complete video, you need to send the feedback. Okay. So feedback while sending, follow the format. Follow the format. Follow the format. Thank you. Bye.